Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Nissan QASHQAI here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic rear wiper on this one. So on this one, if you want the wiper to automatically wipe the window when you put it in reverse, you're going to go to the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel. Then we're going to look at the screen in the center of the dash. So from here, just want to scroll across to the right until you get to the settings, then click in OK. Then scroll down to vehicle settings. Then go to wipers. Now if you come down where it says reverse link, if you have it ticked, it will wipe in reverse when it's raining. But if you don't want it to do it by itself, you can untick it and then that will save by itself.